I've got a fair few tools, and that's only ever going to expand, so I need somewhere to put them. They're all cordless, so I need also somewhere that I can plug this in with ease, easily accessible, easily chargeable. To make this fairly strong, this is going to sit inside here halfway, and then similarly this will sit on top, and this bit here will go in there, and this bit here will go in there, and it will sit inside here. Double glued, screwed twice, double glued, screwed twice. It's not going to be load bearing, but it just means it will be square and strong. So I'll show you. On the Evolution chop saw, you've got this here, trenching tool. It's very clever. So normally you would put it down and the saw would go inside this bit here and you get a clean cut. However, if you pull this lever down there, you'll see that is going to stop it before it gets down. So as you pull it down, it connects and you've got a bit of distance here, and you can put it higher up or lower down by adjusting this. See that? And that very clever trenching tool is going to help us rebate this. Try to glue up and screw up. There we go. That's it all in, and similarly down this side. But this sheathing timber, yeah, you can't polish. But I have sanded it because with sheathing timber you get a wee skelf off of it, or a splinter. So I've just taken that off, just to hopefully in the future save my hands. The plan is to be able to slot these in here so that this bottom shelf here will hang below the bottom shelf. So they'll slot in and they'll be held by the base of that. And I'm gonna put enough in for the future, so many more to come. So that's next. So unfortunately my jigsaw or scroll saw is broken. I'll tidy that up. So I've just had to wrestle with that, but I'll get it tidier. But the whole idea is that that is going to sit in there like that and hang down. And that's the bottom shelf there. So just a few more to go and then we'll get it done. Right, glue up. Pilot drill sheared off. The only thing bruised there was my dignity. Other than that, let's keep going. Right, that's it done. Loads of space here, so we can get much more tools in here. And I can even put another one in there if needs be in between here. Might be a bit weak, but it'll be fine. Loads of space on top of here for the batteries. I've got to put a spur in for the electrics around here, so they can both be put on. But there you go. I suppose I'm a DeWalt man now, but yeah, simple, cheap and effective, nice and neat.